When we think of chocolate, most of us will think of sweet candy bars with nuts or caramel, but in its purest form, chocolate is actually quite bitter. And turning those beans into delicious chocolate is no easy feat. From the selection of the beans to the final packaging, there are many steps that must be taken to make sure that every bar is perfect. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how chocolate is made. That is, if you like your chocolate the way we like our documentaries, dark and full of suspense, welcome to our channel. The journey begins in Africa, where 70% of the world's cocoa beans are grown. In the wild, cocoa trees can grow up to 20 meters tall. But to make harvesting easier, they are usually kept to a maximum height of 3 meters. Like wine, cocoa beans are sensitive to their environment. They need lots of water, warmth, and shade to grow properly. Once the tree begins to produce, it will yield about 200 to 500 kilos of beans per year. The beans themselves come from the cocoa pods which grow on the trunk and branches of the tree. Each pod contains around 20 to 50 beans. The pods are picked, split open, and the beans are extracted. They are then piled up to ferment for 6 days. During this time, the hard outer shell of the bean begins to break down, and the beans develop their rich, complex flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried and sent to the biggest chocolate companies, who begin the transformation into chocolate. Before they can be used, the beans have to be cleaned, sorted, and roasted. This helps remove any remaining shells and any foreign material that may have been hiding in the beans. It also develops the chocolate flavor and aroma. The roasting process takes about 20 minutes and is carefully controlled to make sure the beans do unburn. Once the beans are roasted, they're winnowed. This process blows away the chaff or the outer shell, leaving only the nibs, which are the inner part of the bean. The nibs are ground into a thick, bitter liquid called chocolate liquor. The liquor contains both fat and non-fat solids. If the fat is separated out, you get cocoa butter, which is often used in cosmetics and soaps. The non-fat solids are known as cocoa powder. If you've ever made hot chocolate, you've probably used cocoa powder. To turn the bitter chocolate liquor into the sweet chocolate we all know and love, sugar and milk are added. This is known as conching. The mixture is heated and stirred for several hours until it becomes smooth and creamy. Some manufacturers add more cocoa butter to give the chocolate a glossy finish. Vanilla and other flavorings may also be added during this stage. After conching, the chocolate is ready to be molded. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds which are then shaken to distribute the chocolate evenly. Any excess chocolate is trimmed off, and the molds are allowed to cool. Once the chocolate has hardened, the molds are opened and the finished bars are removed. The bars are then wrapped and boxed, ready to be shipped to stores all over the world. It takes about 400 beans to make a pound of chocolate. So next time you enjoy a chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the hard work that went into making it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and check out some of our other awesome videos. What did you find most interesting about the chocolate making process? Let us know in the comments below. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.